Well, and the one CPA and Metro are
Getting ready to go back to Arizona.
I mean, it's for the job site. You have to drop of a dime, so you gotta have a corner.
Alright, what is up, you guys? I hope that y'all are having a great day. I hope that y'all are feeling blessed and encouraged. If you guys haven't seen Daily Devotion, go check it out. Links will be in the profile. Sorry that I haven't been sorry that I didn't post on my vacation. If you guys haven't noticed, I went on vacation last Thursday, and of course came back here on Wednesday, last couple days ago, and so came back, been back a day, and I already feel like crap. As we all know, that back in the day it used to be very clean. Things used to be very, very nice and neat when you travel, but now traveling is kind of like a third world situation. So I caught a little something down while I was traveling, because people can be nasty and people can be disgusting. No matter how clean that you can be, no matter how many times you can wash your hands, you can do all this stuff, people are still nasty. And so be careful and be safe out there when y'all are traveling. But I hope that y'all enjoyed some of the content from when I was traveling. I tried to put in there something while I was traveling, while I was on the plane that was flying to Arizona. Unfortunately, I couldn't get any film flying back here, but I'm going to try my best to do more stuff like that and get more opportunities where I can do stuff like that. So, but first I got to get well. But yeah, but if you guys haven't also noticed that, repping some merch, Unforsaken Apparel. Unforsaken Apparel is a Christian fitness company that sells merchandise, sells shirts, compression, long sleeve shirts, short sleeve shirts, also sweats, shorts. I think they have some hats too, so I think that's also something to look at as well. But unforsakenapparel.com, I'm gonna rep the merch. Go check it out, Unforsaken Apparel. Hold on, I'm trying to find the actual page for it. There we go. So, shop Unforsaken. Hold on, let me switch to my screen here real quick. So shop Unforsaken Apparel. Got a lot of this stuff. Love this stuff. They got the tees, they got the hoodies, they got the shorts, they got compression, all that good stuff. So go check it out, you guys. Go check it out. Go see for yourself. So go check it out, guys. It's comfortable, it's sleek, it's nice. It makes you. I guarantee if I order more of these shirts, I'm gonna wear more of them, because they definitely do show off a good pump as well. So go check it out, unforsakenapparel.com, you guys. Go check it out. Hope that you guys go check them out at the link. I'm gonna put their link in my description as well, so go check it out as well. But yeah, guys, I hope that you guys enjoyed the little vlog that I was late putting out, because doing content and traveling is tiring. I don't know how people do it, but I give props to people who do it. But I hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. Hope that y'all enjoyed the vlog. We're gonna have more of it, more of the content coming through. So stay tuned for more content. Hit the bell notification and subscribe down to the channel so you don't miss any new content and any new videos that come up on the channel. And again, if you guys haven't already, leave a like and comment on the videos. All right, so hope that y'all have a great day. Remember, God loves you, God forgives you, and again, we only promote peace, unity, and community here on the channel, folks. So I hope that y'all have a great day. God bless you guys.